All I want is a little support around here. Is that too much to ask for?
You're not listening. This is not my job. It's yours.
Oh, you're impossible.
Oh.
We've all seen this happen. 2 or more people disagreeing, arguing, fighting. There's one word which sums it all up: conflict. It can be an obstacle to doing our jobs. It can make our work environment feel uncomfortable, even hostile. And if it goes unresolved, it can lead to more serious problems, such as harassment and violence. However, if it is handled properly, conflict can actually be a good thing. It can bring forth new ideas, new perspectives, and new ways to get our jobs done. Conflict resolution can be a powerful force for positive change. Watch and see.
On here. You can't variate from it. It has to be what's on this blue sheet. If something changes, you will get another blue sheet and it will be on that
Conflict. Where does it come from? There are a number of different sources of conflict, but they all have one thing in common. Conflict is about differences. Differing expectations about job roles or instructions can be a source of conflict. Disagreements about who's responsible for what and what's the proper procedure seem to occur all too often. Differences in treatment, even if they are only perceived, can lead to arguments over status or resources. Who is more important and who gets first dibs on equipment or materials are often questions that aren't resolved easily. People with differing goals, values, or priorities can often find themselves in conflict with one another. Other conflicts arise from deeply embedded differences in habits, feelings, or beliefs. Even old conflicts that everyone thought had been resolved can come back to haunt us. Many times, holding a grudge about past disagreements can cause and complicate new conflicts.
Why don't you get out of my face? Hey, it's your funeral. The jerk.